The key to an exceptionally well-drafted marketing plan is all in your marketing funnel. Hi, everyone. I'm Allison Williams, your law firm mentor. Law Firm Mentor is a business coaching service for solo and small law firm attorneys. We help you to grow your revenues, crush chaos in business, and make more money. And today I want to talk to you about marketing funnels because I think a lot of people have heard that term before, but don't quite understand what it is. So if you conceptualize a funnel, we know that it's broader at the top and it goes very narrow at the bottom. And when we look at the top of a funnel, more goes into the top than is ultimately going to come out the bottom into whatever the repository of our funnel is going to be. So I want you to think about that in terms of your law firm, okay? At the very top of a marketing funnel for a law firm are impressions. And then we go down and we get all the way down to the bottom where we have clients. Every impression does not become your client, nor should they. So I'm going to talk to you about each step along the way from the top of the funnel with the impressions all the way down to the bottom of the funnel at the client level. So first, what are impressions? Impressions are eyes on your advertisement or eyes on your marketing. Those are people that happen upon your communication. They may or may not need your service. They may or may not be in the market for your service. If someone from Kentucky is looking at your website and your website has messaging about representation in Indiana, then clearly that person is an impression because they saw your communication, but they're not a lead because assuming you have a statewide practice, you probably can't represent them. So next under impressions are our leads. And that's really what most of us are concerned about. Those are the people who are in the market for our service. Those are the people who are viable for actually being represented by us. Now, they're not a viable lead. I'm going to define that in just a moment. But when you think about a lead, think about that as somebody who's raising their hands or eligible to raise their hands, because you might have to get in front of them to poke them a little bit to raise their hand. But they're able to raise their hand and say, yeah, I need that. Okay. Viable leads, one step below that in your funnel, are people that you want to represent. So a lead might be somebody who has a legal matter that you handle. It's in your practice area. It's in your geographic region, but you don't necessarily want to take that case. Let's say someone accused of murder calls on Monday and says, hey, we go to trial tomorrow. You might say, yeah, I could take that case, but I don't want to. I don't want to drop my practice and represent someone on the fly. So then they're not viable. Now, once you get down from impressions to leads to viable leads, the rest of the funnel is really about the sales process. So first we have scheduled appointments. How many people that are viable leads actually scheduled an appointment to come into your office for consultation or come into your Zoom room nowadays. And once you got them scheduled, how many of those people actually showed up? Could be that you're scheduling people and they're just not raising their hand to actually come into the office. That's usually because you're offering free consultations, which we highly recommend against. Now, once you have people show up for the consultation, the last very important variable to have in your marketing funnel is your conversion rate. How many of those people are becoming clients? So again, the entirety of your funnel from the top super wide down to the bottom are your impressions, leads, viable leads, scheduled, show up, and new clients. Now, if you want to learn more about marketing funnels, I invite you to reach out to Law Firm Mentor. We can walk you through that process for your law firm so you can see how to get more clients into your law firm today. I'm Allison Williams, your Law Firm Mentor, everyone. Have a great day.